In chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, CIDP, T cells, a crucial part of the immune system, mistakenly turn into the enemy. Normally, these guard cells patrol the body, seeking out and destroying foreign invaders. But in CIDP, they become confused and launch a sustained attack on a person's own peripheral nerves. The T cells cross the protective blood-nerve barrier and unleash a cascade of inflammatory signals. This draws in other immune players, like macrophages, creating a hostile environment in and around the nerves. Specifically, different types of T cells are involved. Helper T cells, CD4+, orchestrate the assault, recruiting more immune cells and encouraging other parts of the immune system to join in. Meanwhile, killer T cells, CD8+, directly attack the myelin sheath, the fatty protective coating around the nerve fibers. This sustained attack on the myelin disrupts nerve signals, causing the progressive weakness, numbness, and tingling that define CIDP. The discovery of these unique destructive T cells hiding in nerve tissue has been key to understanding CIDP and exploring new, more targeted therapies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.